Yo, I'm here with Bob Barker, Trey, and Barbie, and we're talking about harmony in nature. And if you're a Shibizen, you might want to listen up.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, it's a lot of harmony going on.
Okay. Harmony in nature. We pledge to respect and protect the natural environment.
Spade and neuter your kittens. Oh, that is protecting the environment. But
All right, integrating sustainable practices in our societal operations. Excuse me. Let me just
sustainability.
respect here. Whew. Okay. Did you say sense and sensibility?
No, but I said sustainability, and I like the other one better.
Okay. So harmony with nature. That's the number 17, and it's we pledge to respect and protect the natural environment, integrating sustainable practices.
Okay, okay.